What's your name? Amri? Rivu? How old are you? How old are you? I'm 4. Where are you from?
I'm from
Vietnam. What animal do you like? Do you like cats or dogs? I like. What color do you like? I like yellow, green, blue. I like green. Okay, now let's start. Are you ready? Yes. What color is this? It's louder please. What color is this? It's brown. And what color is this? It's pink. Very good. What color is this? It's white. Good job. Now, what is it? It's a door. How many doors are there? 5 doors. Good job. What is it? Chair. And how many chairs are there? There are 2 chairs. What is it? Table. How many tables are there?
3.
There are 3. What is it? Wing. How many windows are there? 4. Now, who is this? This is my granddad. Who's this? This is my Very good. Who is this? This is my dog. Good job. Who's this? This is my cousin. Who is this? Amanda. Who is this? Very good. Who's this? George. What are they? They are eyes. And what are they? They are hands. What are they? They are ears. And what's this? This is a head. What are they? They are arms. Louder please. What shape is this? It's square. Very good. What shape is this? This is a circle. Good job. Goodbye.